Hi, hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and today I will show you how to calculate an area of polygon in ArcGIS Pro. So let's get started. So to calculate an area of polygon in ArcGIS Pro, first you have to go to this option called View. In that you got to select an option called Catalog Pan. So a new window has been popped up saying Catalog. Now select your polygon shapefile from your folders. So now let me add a folder connection to my polygon shapefile. For that, right click and click this option called add a folder connection. So now let me select my shapefile location, that is my polygon shapefile. So now you can able to visualize we have a folder called shapefiles. Now let us create a folder connection. Click this folder location shapefiles and click OK. So now you can click this catalog section and you can now visualize a new connection has been made called shapefiles. Now let me open this. Now you can able to visualize here we have our polygon shapefile. So to input this polygon shapefile into ArcGIS Pro, right click and click this option called add to the current map. So in the table of contents section, now you can able to visualize a new polygon shapefile has been added into our ArcGIS Pro. So now let us visualize the attribute section, attributes of this polygon. For that, right click this layer. So now select the option called attribute table. So now in the attribute table of the polygon shapefile, that is our layer polygon, we have around 6 polygons. We have created around 6 polygons. So we're going to calculate the area of all 6 polygons. So you can visualize here, it is 6 polygons. So in the attribute table of our polygon shapefile, you can visualize we have 4 fields, starting with FID, shape, ID and name. Name here represents our, so W represents the water body 1, starting from water body 1 to water body 6. So now let us visualize our current map projection. So for that, right click over map and go to the option called properties. So now let us visualize the current map's coordinate system. So here, go to the option called coordinate system. So here you can visualize here the current coordinate system is WGS 1984 Web Mercator. So now let me close this, and similarly let us view the coordinate system of our polygon layer. For that, right click and select the option called properties. So now select an option called source. In that select a spatial reference. We have selected a spatial reference and we can able to visualize the coordinate system as WGS 1984 Web Mercator. So now click OK. So now to calculate the area of our polygons, that is our water bodies, we need to add a new field called area. For that, click this option called add a new field in this table. Now enter the field name as area. Now select the data type as a double. Now click to create a new to save this. So to create a new field, you have to click this option called save the modification to the table. So now we can visualize in the attribute section of our polygon layer, a new field has been created called area. So now let me close this layer. So in the attribute table of the polygon layer, you can visualize a new field has been created called area. So now let us calculate the area of each polygon. So to calculate area, you have to click this field, right click this field and select the option called calculate geometry. So a new window has been popped up saying calculate geometry. So our input feature is our polygon layer and we are selecting a field that is the area field. So in the property, you have to select an area. So now you have to choose your unit, that is the area unit. So I'm going to select as square kilometers. You can also select as square miles or hectares or acres. So in this case, I'm going to select square kilometers. So now let me select our coordinate system. So let me select as a current map, that is 1984 Web Mercator, WGS 1984 Web Mercator. It is our current map. So to calculate the area of our polygons, you just click OK. So now you can able to visualize the area of our polygon, which is represented in our field called area. It is in the unit is in square kilometers. So you can visualize So this particular, the water body has an area of around 3.5 square kilometers. So which is highlighted here. This particular reservoir or a water body, has an area of around 3.5 square kilometers. And similarly, let me select another polygon, so which is highlighted here. Let me zoom into this part of the. So here it has a total area of around 0.02 square kilometers. So this is how you can able to calculate the area of a polygon. So in this video I have shown you how to calculate an area of polygon in ArcGIS Pro. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and give us a like.